I'm driving in Malaysia. First time ever I'm driving on the passenger side of the car. And it's driving me freaking crazy. We got the kids in the back. Hey! Who's excited? You excited? Cito, you excited? Yeah.
Are we going park?
We're going park. Big park.
Yeah, big.
So we're excited. The kids are excited. So I'm trying to be as good driver as possible. Genting Highlands is about an hour drive from here without traffic. So, and there's also a cable car that we're gonna try to catch today as well. It closes at 10 p.m. You know, we're supposed to leave at 8:30, but it's 1 o'clock and we're leaving right now. So we'll blame it on Sarah. She likes to get her 10 hours sleeping every day.
Alright, this is wrong. This is wrong.
How many hours?
6 hours.
6 hours? Oh my God.
Yeah.
6 hours. Man, that's good.
Normal person hours.
I get 3 or 4 hours maybe if I'm lucky.
This is not normal.
So, all right, guys. So we're headed that way. We'll show you all we can today. So we literally had to just get in the car with the saddest window down. It's in the back. Lado, where is it? It's in the back? Okay. Yeah, there we go. Get this bird out, poor guy. Where is it, Maria? It's not here. It's not here. It's gone, I guess. Sorry, finish. Oh, baby monkey. He's got the box. They're all fighting. All right, guys, so I'm here in the front. Try to get tickets. They don't recommend it because they're closed in 3 hours. They close at 6 p.m. and it's about to rain. So they're like, come back tomorrow, a different day, and purchase it then. There is no VIP pass experience like you saw in Universal Studios, but if you download the app, you can have a virtual spot for hold up to several rides through the app for free. There's no charge for that. The indoor theme park, which is mostly for the kids, that's open till 9 o'clock. So we're gonna do that today and come back, most likely tomorrow and do the bigger one. With that said, let's go show the kids. Have a great time. Hi. Whoa. Don't move. Don't bounce. Turn around. Turn around. Thank you. Yeah. Bak kameraya bak. Güzel. Good job. Tamam. Sounds good.